the classes meet on Thursday, so guess which night we have the most questions? Wednesday night. So I encourage you to have your child look at the homework in advance. Oh yes, that's another thing I should mention. Another thing that students say routinely about what they learned from CHAMP is they had to learn to budget their time and start working on the homework earlier than just the night before it was due. And believe me, that's a valuable lesson if it is learned here, and you're just about half learning here. You have a whole week of assignments that are due each Thursday, and so you'll have to start before Wednesday.
You're going to have to log in, right?
Yeah. In addition to the CHAMP forums where you can ask questions, there's another online website called LonCAPA. People in the physics department at Michigan State started this, and it's being used in various places around the whole country. It's really quite a popular thing. And we use it for some other ways. We use it to give reviews for the tests and for the final exam. And it's you can log on and look at a question. If you don't see how to do it, you can ask for help. And I can come on usually the next day or so, see the question and give you a hint so that the student can figure out how to do it. But these sample tests are quite good for giving you a good idea of what to expect when you go to a test. So these LonCAPA reviews are quite nice. There's one other way that the LonCAPA site is used, and that is a few years ago, the state of Michigan instituted a revision in the mathematics program, math and science programs in high school, and added a huge amount of material to what we used to call Algebra 1. Now there is about half of an AP statistics course that is added into what we would have called Algebra 1. So, of course, there's no textbook that you can buy that has Algebra 1 and half a statistics course in it. So what we did, fortunately, Professor Sikorsky knows quite a bit of statistics. His wife is a professor here in statistics, so he's written a bunch of notes on statistics, which we hand out. And there are review questions and tests that the students will take in statistics. That's much later in the term. About 2/3 of the way through the term, we will come to the statistics ones. Maybe even longer than that. It's somewhere near Thanksgiving will be where the statistics material will be. So this, unfortunately, is just extra work that the student will have to do on their own, but the notes have been written and revised over the years several years as the students have looked at it and asked questions about what's going on. So most of the students can do this without any extra help, but they come to the labs and get help from me and the assistants, and they can go online and ask questions. So it works quite well.
Well, I just want to check, how many CHAMP 2 students do we have here? Okay, we have both of them. We have 2 students that tested out of CHAMP 1 and they're going to ready for CHAMP 2. So we just want to briefly just identify your curriculum is a little different. Just spot on.
CHAMP 2 students and the CHAMP 1 students will be there next year, but the CHAMP 2 students will be taking geometry. Our course we call geometry is taught out of an old textbook that is much like what I took when I took high school geometry many, many years ago. It's a plane geometry, proof-based, proof-oriented course. Side angle, side, and angle, side angle problems, if that rings a bell for you. We have lots of problems where the students learn to think logically, sequentially. You have to end up here, you have this information to begin with, you have to go step by step by step to say this implies this implies this, etc., until you get to the end. And that is something that I found to be really challenging when I had to do that in high school, but it's something that is really, really fun for the students who like geometry and more theoretical kinds of mathematics. I think it's the most challenging of the 4 semesters, but most of the students think that the second semester of the first year is the most challenging. It's Algebra 2, and it's just more of the stuff you had in Algebra 1, more advanced versions of that stuff. So many of the students say that's the part of this 4 semester series that they found the most challenging. Just one last little quick remark, and that is that, as I said, we're all teaching or have taught in the math department here. So our orientation for teaching this algebra, geometry, pre-calculus, our orientation is what are the things that college students need work on in order to do well in calculus when they come to university. So of course that's in the back of our minds, and those are the kinds of things that we emphasize. So if nothing else, you're getting the benefit of people who teach calculus in college and know where this material is headed and can emphasize the things that the students will need later on. I think that's one of the little benefits of taking this course. We're delighted to have you all here. We've got a slightly bigger group than we have had in the last few years, but this is just great. Really delighted to have you here. Looking forward to this year. Okay, do you have questions? Yeah.
For like the kids in Memphis, the regular math class now for the rest of the week, are they going to be able to work on their homework and
That is
stuff
my
like that?
understanding.
Or,
No, we met on Monday and both of the counselors were there, and that was our agreement with them. And they're actually,
or they got to sit in their class and listen to stuff they already know, or?
my understanding is they're actually gonna be able to leave the classroom and do like a study hall elsewhere.
Okay.
But they have access to the teacher if they have questions those days that they're not in CHAMP, which is the ideal thing for all.
Right, so they can actually, like he's
That's what I've
got
been
6
told.
hours, he's got algebra 1, he can go and work on his homework without
Right.
being in the
What
class.
we're hoping is that they'll form a study group and they'll work together during those days that they're not in class. Yeah. They have been the most incredible school to work with, I can tell you, hands down. You have the most ideal program for gifted learning as well as just the CHAMP. What we'd like to see every school do.
That along those same lines, Mr. Rager can say what you're saying is true, that would just be the other 4 days they work with each other for more time together to feed off each other and learn.
But they have the teacher to ask questions to as well throughout the time.
But then, like, okay, the MCHAMP ends May 3rd, but say the kids don't get out of school till late June, and same with the December, they get done the 14th and doesn't pick up again until the 11th, they're still in school for some of that. What are they doing during those hiatus times? Are they doing
In
further
May,
math instruction?
in May we offer additional sections.
Okay.
With the program, I think we end our class the second week of May, and we have 1 week before your Christmas or holiday break, or whatever we call it now, winter break. During that 1 week, they will have a free day. They will have time. And it's basically they'll go to the other classes, and the math class will be there for an hour. Okay, in a short period of time. But we do offer 2 or 3, I think it's three classes in May after the program ends, which takes you right up to Memorial Day weekend.
That's true here at Michigan State. The end of the year is early in May. There's 3 weeks more in May, 3 more Thursdays in May after our program ends. And we have a optional extra 3 classes that Professor Sikorsky teaches, the Algebra 1 classes, or Algebra 2 at that point, and CHAMP. And one of the second-year professors teaches the pre-calculus. And they take the final exam in and look at things that the students have appeared to need more help on, and they give the students more work on the things that the students haven't quite mastered. That's what they do in the first year extra classes. In the second year extra classes, after they've had pretty calculus. Most schools that I'm familiar with, in the course that's called pre-calculus, does a fair amount of calculus. And we don't have time enough to do any calculus per se in our pre-calculus course. That's the 4th semester of CHAMP. So in these last 3 classes, the student gets an introduction into calculus so that they will at least know what this course is about when they go to take their calculus course. Most students will take either an AP calculus course that is offered in their school, or in some cases go to a community college and take a calculus course. If they're in East Lansing, sometimes students actually come to Michigan State and take a calculus course automatically after. But that's what they do in the second year. So there are 3 extra courses that you may choose to go to if you want. 3 extra days. That's your first in May.
The conferences that you're listing in the following spring, like we came out here for orientation for CHAMP, will the conferences be held in Memphis or will we all be driving out here?
It'll be held in Memphis, probably scheduled over myself.
Professor Sikorsky will go to Memphis.
Okay.
It'll probably be one night after class, so he's a naughty.
Right.
Day, yeah. We want to make it as user-friendly, but occasionally we want you to come to the whole base to check us out. And these are the kids that you want to see come down to zero. We want you.
The Memphis program and the Michigan State on-campus program are using the same text, the same homework assignments, week by week. So it's almost like we start this Thursday and you start next Tuesday. Except for that, we're right together week by week. So this CHAMP forum will work easily, just as well for the Memphis students as well as the Michigan State students. So I encourage you to have your students log on and ask questions. Rare occasions, I've had former CHAMP students in college ask calculus questions on the CHAMP forum. That's fun.
I'm just wondering about like the grading scales and how that all correlates into grades at their middle schools.
Varies, of course, school by school. My understanding is that some schools treat the CHAMP grade as a credit grade. Some schools give the student the option of selecting whether to take the grade that they earned or credit to credit. I've heard of one case where, or at least some cases where you get actually bonus credit for taking an accelerated advanced class. But you have to talk to people at your school to find out exactly how it works. Varies from school to school.
That's true.
So they will receive a grade through your
Yeah,
program?
we send a grade sheet at the end of each semester to the school, and at the end of the 2 years, a summary of all the grades. We send that out to each school. But how that's integrated into the other grades that the students earn varies school by school.
Any other questions?
Thank you for coming.
Well, we're not done.
Oh, we're not done.
We're not done.
Sure. As Charlie was speaking, I sort of clicked through the Lon Kappa here, but the course contents is, once you get into Lon Kappa, and everybody has that half picture